city?
I have lived in Melbourne for 8 years.
Oh, so
Mm,
how's the experience?
very
So
nice.
what is the purpose to go there? Gone there?
I prefer living in India.
Okay, yes. So what are the
Mm.
difference between if you want to say something which is better for us like India country is better or any other countries is better to live other countries? Why
So if you
people are
like,
nowadays, people are crazy to go outside for the study their studies or and after going study, so they wants to leave their countries. They doesn't want to come here back.
okay, has my video gone or am I still visible to you?
Yeah, it's visible and audible to you. Yeah,
Okay,
it's
so
great.
how are you
Perfect.
doing? How is your morning
Yes,
going
I'm
on?
doing. Yeah, good morning, first of all. And yes, I'm doing well, pretty well. What about you?
Yes, yeah, pretty well. It's been a busy morning, so as usual.
Yeah,
Mm,
morning is quite busy for all humans.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
today is Sardar Vallabhbhai Jayanti. So my son
Mm.
has a holiday. So I'm a little bit
Oh,
occupied with him because he is a naughty boy and he wants to play with me. So
mm.
every time he asking me, Mama, where are you? Please come play with me. Sit here and let's do some activities. All this stuff he's
Yes,
doing.
yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Yeah, just tell me a little more about yourself.
Yes, so as you know, I am Komal Hirani and I am a mother of son. I am homemaker. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I have completed Master of Commerce in Accountancy. And in my free time period, I love to play with colors. So I love drawing, painting. This is my favorite art and I like creativity. And apart from them, I love to listen to music a lot. And nowadays,
Mm-hmm.
one of my favorite hobbies is learning English. And yes, I am a YouTuber. My channel name is Introvert Buzz. And nowadays, I'm trying to connect different peoples. So I'm happy with this journey. Yes, I'm proud of myself because I'm doing something for myself. Thank you so much.
Exactly.
That's all about me.
Yes.
So, what
Yeah. Where
about
are you
you?
from? Where are
Yes,
you
I'm
from?
from,
Where do you
sorry
live?
for that. I'm from Gujarat in
Okay.
Rajkot city. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Amazing. Okay, so my name is Shanta. I'm from Karnataka. So I'm
Okay.
a mother to two children. I'm a homemaker. I'm a part-time tutor of spoken English. And recently I've started my YouTube channel as well, which is Learn English with Shanta. So I'm managing the channel. And my current favorite hobby is managing my channel and creating content, talking to people. Yeah, but before that,
Mhm.
I would read books, listen to music. I love watching movies as well. Yeah, that's a
Oh,
little bit about me.
yeah. So you are a tutor. So which platform do you teach?
I teach on an online platform. I'm not sure whether I can name the platform, but I work for a platform online.
Okay.
Yes, I
Okay.
work as a freelancer. That is the only way
Okay.
I can manage both home and work. So that's what I'm doing currently.
Okay. So you have a two child, boy and girl. Okay, both.
Yeah, my firstborn is a daughter. She's 9 years old, and my son is 4. He's in lower kindergarten.
Okay, that's good.
So how old is your son?
My son is next month, in November he will complete 3 years.
Oh, he's
So
very
like
small.
yeah, it's very quite young and now 13 days left for his birthday.
Mm. So advance
So
happy birthday to your son.
that's why my brother-in-law coming because he is living in Australia. So in 9th November he will come for celebrating his birthday because last 2 years he had not yet here. So this is the first birthday for his uncle. My son has a
Mm.
first birthday which he is celebrate with his uncle. Yeah.
Okay, in
So we are
Australia, where
quite
does he live?
excited. Sorry,
You told your brother-in-law lives in Australia. Which city?
Melbourne City. Melbourne City.
I have lived in Melbourne for 8 years.
Oh, so
Mm,
how's the experience?
very
So
nice.
what is the purpose to go there? Gone there?
My husband was already there. He was a student there. He did his masters and he was working
Hmm.
there. So after getting married, I moved with him there. So we are
Okay,
residents of
now you are
Australia.
living in Karnataka with your husband.
Yes, I came back 5 years ago.
Why? Why you came
I was.
here?
We have other responsibilities as well, right? Parents,
Yeah.
in-laws, and there are so many other things. Yes, but we do have a
Mhm.
residency of Australia, so we can go back when we want. But
Okay.
yeah, I prefer living in India.
Okay, yes. So what are the
Mm.
difference between if you want to say something which is better for us like India country is better or any other countries is better to live other countries? Why
So if you
people are
like
nowadays, people are crazy to go outside for the study for their studies or and after going study, so they wants to leave their countries. They doesn't want to come here back. So
mm,
what is the reason behind that? I don't know why.
mm,
Because I told my brother-in-law, don't go there, don't go there. We are living together. It's quite excited because my bonding is quite good for him with him. So I said like, don't go there. But he asked me, he told me like, no, I want to go other countries and I want to stay there. I never come here. I don't know
mm.
why he is
Have
crazy
you
to
ever been
go
abroad?
outside. Sorry?
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have visited Mauritius for my honeymoon in 2018, and now
Mm-hmm.
it's my next, place in my bucket list. Australia is my first choice to visit. Yeah, so very soon,
Yeah,
I hope.
yeah.
Hmm.
Once you go there, you won't feel like coming back. That's the reason I asked you, have you ever been abroad? It's also beautiful, it's luxurious, and the what do I say? Lifestyle is very good. So
Yes.
everything is so easy, from including groceries to everything is very easy. Life is easy there. The healthcare system is very good. So you have free consultation to doctors if you want to go see a practitioner. So that will be free of cost. You don't have to pay the consultation charges, but you need to pay for
Okay.
the medicines, of course. You don't have to pay
Mm-hmm.
that charges. Plus, if you are unemployed, there are other benefits. So if you have children, you have a childcare benefit. So there are a lot of
Yeah.
benefits. The roads are clean. There's no pollution. The legal system is
Yeah.
very good. So
People
in every
attracted by
aspect is good.
infrastructure. Infrastructure is quite good. Yeah.
Right. Convenient. It's very convenient living abroad.
Yeah, it's very, but we are Indian people, so we have lots of responsibilities. And if we live with our family, it's also good for our child upbringing time period. Okay,
Exactly.
yeah. They learn
Because
so
when my
many
daughter
things
was
from
born,
their grandparents. Yeah, and
that's
if
the
we leave
exact thing that I
outside,
missed.
yeah,
Mm.
yeah, 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 just continue. Yeah.
Yeah. My daughter was just 1 year old when she was not even a year old when I took her there. And I started missing her. I felt like I'm snatching away that happiness from her. Living with her relatives, grandparents of both the sides. My maternal home, they are very much attached to her. So they want to, spend time. I thought like I was taking away those moments from her because the growing years of their life is very, very important in order to
Yeah.
instill that all that morality in them. So I just felt she needs to grow up in India. When she grows up, maybe that's fine. But it's very important to instill that in her. So first
Yeah,
few
because
years of her life should be with the relatives. Yeah,
yeah.
that was one of the reasons.
Yeah, because my brother-in-law told me like here is the if we have a child, so it's quite difficult for us because we are living in your alone, and we are
Yes.
doing compulsory job. So
Mm,
there is a caretaker available, there yeah. So we have to put admission their schools,
mm,
and we have to pick up their particular time periods if we are doing a job. So it's quite difficult to manage a timetable. It's
mm,
little bit tough. But here is India, like in-laws are available, so we can easily manage if we are doing a job, if we are doing a business. So it's quite easy for us to manage all the
mm,
stuffs. And yeah, but he likes to live there. I don't know why. But
mm.
for example, if I go there, so definitely I also feel like that, like I want to live abroad. but it's a little bit difficult for also them, like if we live without our family, so sometimes we miss some festival season, and
Mm.
family function also we missed. But for our bright future, we should go there definitely.
Mm.
Yeah, we have
Yes,
no any
yes.
other option.
And there are also Indian communities there. So there are Gujarati communities, Kannada communities. So
Yeah,
you won't exactly miss all the festivals and the culture. You can still mingle with them and celebrate all your festivals. But it is different with
yes,
family. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Mm.
And there is a old, I think the Swaminarayan temple is available. So when he went out Melbourne, so every Sunday he went to temple, because
Mhm.
there is so many Gujarati peoples and they want to interact with them, so it's quite easy
Mm.
for to settle there. Yeah,
Mm.
now it's been 4 years, 4 year completed. He was there, so it's quite easy
Yeah.
and
Did he
convenient.
go on a student visa? Did he go there to study?
Yeah, for student visa. Yeah, now he cracked that PR exam and he applied for PR. Yeah. So within
Yeah.
this year he'll get PR. He will
Yeah.
get
After he
PR.
gets his PR, he will then have to spend some more time there. Then he'll be eligible for the citizenship.
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes.
And the
I don't
first
know
few years of your
what is the sorry.
yeah, first few years that you stay abroad, all your
Yeah,
savings goes into this visa things. First, you need to
yeah,
apply some visas, then you have to apply your permanent residency, which is very, very expensive. It's more than like
yeah,
$1,000. So then for
yeah,
citizenship, again, you have to put your savings. So first few years, you hardly save any money. Everything
yeah.
goes in acquiring the citizenship and the residency.
Yeah. But he's so hardworking person. We just, paid their college fees, and after that, we never ever like, pay some money from here to there. Yeah.
Mm,
So he's doing 2, 3 jobs because for his there now it's their struggle time period, and he wants something, but he's not satisfied with his job because he thought like. Uh, Business is quite good for rather than a job,
mm,
and something missing, he is missing something. He is thinking about let's do some business, he is searching nowadays, but till now he is doing a job. Let's see what happen in future, but nowadays it's time to tie the knot with their partner, life partner. So
mm,
we are searching for that, for him, good life partner, and let's see
mm.
what happen in future.
Because
Yeah,
you have a lot of job opportunities there. You can work in a store. There are a lot of small, small things that you can do. You can do two, three jobs in a day. So earning money is quite easy there. They pay you really well. It's not that if you do small jobs, like even if you have a maid, sorry, even if you have a maid, she will come and clean the house. You have to pay her like for $25 an hour or something like that. Even they earn quite good and they get a lot of respect as well. Yeah. So it
yeah,
is quite easy
but
to get a job there.
little bit, not good for their health because he is not, cooking a food. He just
Hmm.
ordered from outside, so it's not good for
Mm,
their health. And most of the time, he eats fast food, pizza and
mm,
burger, and frozen food also.
exactly, yes.
Yeah,
Are you guys vegetarians?
yeah, we are pure vegetarian. Yes,
Then it is even more difficult. I was a vegetarian too, and I had to take so many supplements in the day in order to fulfill that because there is something in that soil that you don't get all the nutrients from it. If you're a meat
yes,
eater, that's okay. They live happily there. But if you're a vegetarian, you really have to struggle for food. You
yeah, a
can cook,
lot
but
because
they
we
don't
are
taste
not
the same.
eating. Yeah, because we are not eating even egg also.
Mm,
So
mm.
it's
Yeah,
quite
I get it.
difficult. And doctor
Mm.
suggested us like you should take a multigrain, not multigrain, but uh, medicine, like multivitamin medicine
Supplements. Mm, mm.
supplements. Yeah,
Yes,
it's
yes.
quite necessary for him. It's mandatory. Yeah,
Mm. Yeah, that was one of the major factors, because our health was also getting affected. And children who are born and they are raised there, they usually get some kind of allergies, like peanut allergy or some kind of
yeah,
allergies. So, yeah, that was not very favorable for us. So, we are happy here.
Yes, I think
Mm,
for my point of view, abroad is good for us, but just we have to live in India, and for our
mm,
vacation time period, we just have to go there to visit and then explore another
mm,
countries. It's quite good,
mm,
yeah,
mm.
rather than to
Exactly.
live
Yes.
there. Yes.
Mm, mm.
Okay.
Right. So the
So
time is running out. Yeah. You have any
yeah,
more questions?
no, I have no questions. Yeah, it's quite
Mm,
good, because this I talked this topic first time with another person. Never talked with
mm,
my
mm,
brother-in-law, because you also
mm.
belong from Melbourne, so it's quite
Melbourne.
easy.
Exactly. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to given me your precious time, and thank you so much for inviting me. And yes, it's a nice conversation.
Yeah. Yeah. I enjoy talking to you. If time permits, we'll meet again.
Yeah, thank you so much. Be
Okay.
happy.
Bye bye. Yeah.
Bye
You
bye.
too. Bye. Have a good day.
Yeah, have a good day.